everyone! Eto na yung passport, nakuha na namin, and then we got approved, single entry, na-issue siya sa ATIC. Last September 15 kami nag-submit ng application sa kanila, and then sabi ng ATIC, October 8 pa nila masasubmit, and then nag-text sila September 30, na-lodge na sa embassy, and then October 7 na-approve yung visa namin, and then nakuha na namin yung passport namin sa kanila today. Yay! And then kanina nung kinuha ko yung passport namin, yung magsasubmit until tomorrow October 13, masasubmit na based dun sa kanilang advisory December 13 na, almost 2 months after. So talagang marami na yung nag-a-apply. So try na rin sa BSF kung meron makukuha. Okay? Sige, bye-bye. See you, Japan!